On today's adventure, I'm at Wingstop. I'm gonna check out their Mexican street spice on their chicken tenders. See you at the table. Alrighty, well, I've got the chicken tenders with the Mexican street spices on them. Looks pretty darn good right there. Oh, it smells amazing. Definitely getting some corn off of it. A little tanginess. And a little bit of chili spice. Cheers. Give it a bite. Very, very tasty. The corn, there's some tanginess with it, with some of the spices. There's a little bit of a heat, not really much of a heat, just kind of get a little chili flavor. A slight heat to it. Really good. Probably one of the better limited time seasonings that they've had in a long time. Very tasty, very, very good. And yes, the chicken tenders. Very, 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 very good. I was gonna order it and have it sent home to my house, but usually when I do that from here, it's cold, and this is literally like 3-minute drive from my house. But having it here, very tasty, very good. It's very, it's solid. I definitely recommend giving it a try. It's around for a limited time. What does that mean? I don't know, maybe a month or so. And I think it came out like yesterday, so I'm like trying to be on top of it. But those are very good. I hope that they bring this back permanently, because I would definitely get these on the wings. Yeah, very, very yummy. Highly recommend it. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.